So today we have a new car, which is a Jeep Compass 2015. Customer statement: the car stalled with him in the middle of the road, and he took it to the nearest mechanic location. So the car stayed there for probably, as he said, for almost 2-3 months, honestly. Probably because of the COVID-19 or something, I'm not pretty sure. But he did a lot of things: changed starter, alternators, a camshaft sensor, and a lot of things. And he scanned it. He can't find what's going on, which is, I really doubt it, because as soon as I scanned the car, I get the code which said ASD main relay. Okay, so the relay located in here. So it's right behind the driver's side tire. You have to open the inner fender as well, and it's gonna be located over there. So as soon as I opened it, if you look here, and you pull the main relay out, you will find one of the legs get broken inside there, and there's a lot of corrosion as well. And I believe that's not the right relay as well. But look here, these are the original relays, and this one looks different. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull the wiring diagram for it. I'm gonna take this wire off, take them all the way up, and put a new relay, my own diagram on it, and that should fix the issue. Okay, I'd like to tell you guys what's going on, how this car gonna get fixed. So this wires here, the two wires, it goes here, the broken leg at the relay, right? This relay is for fan speed relay, right? So when the car can warm up, this guy here that goes to the back of the relay right in here get ground, right, from the, so basically when the sensor get warm up at the proper temperature, so it give signal to the computer, then the computer give the ground all the way to the relay in order to these two pins get contact to each other, right? So what we're gonna do, because all the area got fucked up and probably someone else work on it, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna run 4 wires all the way up there and put a new relay and see the area proper, because this area, as you can see, it's under the shaker right behind the left side of the tire, which is gonna contain a lot of contamination and the salt, water things, right? So we're gonna run 4 wires all the way up there and put our new relay in there, right? So, and we're gonna see all this area proper in a way it's not gonna happen anymore. After I finish it, I'm gonna let you guys see what I did. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing right now. So putting a heavy duty to attach this wire with this wire here, and then we put a heat shrink, a waterproof heat shrink. You see here, when you heat it up, it produces a kind of grease and seal. Just to make sure it's not things can come in here. So I'm gonna run 4 wires. So that's for the fan. That's signal for the fan, and that the ASD, as you can see, 2 wires together goes in 1 wire here, and then we have both goes to the fan. Both I'm gonna cut them off and then run 4 wires all the way up there. Then put a new relay in there, and that's should fix the issue. And then I'm gonna seal all the bugs proper in here in a way it's not gonna get corrosion in the future. So that's what I did. So I disconnect all the wires from the fan relay. I put them in this harness in here that I made, and then I run all the wires to this relay, and then I'm gonna put protection around it, and then I'm gonna seal the box in here, and then all should be good. Now that's the moment of truth right now. So everything back like how it's supposed to be, and we support the again. So don't forget, I get this car out of a mechanic, so there's a lot of broken brackets and things, so I support everything back by zip tight. So so I run all my wire all the way up there, and here is the wire relay right now. So in the future, if there's any problem, all I have to do is just take this relay off, and replace with a different relay and start up. There we go. Oh, good. Thank you for watching.